Good evening, all. Good evening. Am I audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Am I audible? Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So, what were we doing, guys? We were doing probability. Okay. So, let us continue where we stopped yesterday. First, let us recall what all we have done yesterday. So, in yesterday's probabilities class, so we started with understanding what is probability. Okay, what do you mean by probability? It is nothing but chances of occurrence of an event. So how do we calculate probability? Number of favorable cases divided by total cases. And we know the range of probability is 0 to 1. It means it lies between 0 and 1. Okay, now. So and then we dealt with problems based on dice, we dealt with single dice, and then we dealt with problems on 2 dice. And we also dealt with the problems based on odds, probability of odds, right? Yes, Tarun. Yes, we will be dealing that. Chandana's question will be dealing that. Okay. So Chandana, was your question is this? Just check out. Where was this? You were asking about cricket team, right? Let me check once. Which question, Chandana, you were asking? I think I haven't solved here. I haven't solved here. Okay, I think I must have solved that in your college, but not here. Okay, okay, fine. I'll solve it. I'll solve it. Okay, in P and C, right? In P and C, let us say Chandana's doubt was something like this. The doubt was, let's say, the question will be something like this, guys. Form a team of 11 members. Form a team of 11 members from a squad of 16 members. I'll increase the size, guys. Just hold on for a second. Let me type it down. Form a squad of 16 members, which includes let us say Dhoni and Yuvraj. Okay, Dhoni and Yuvraj, such that a team consists of okay, this is the question. We can form various questions. Chandana, is this the question you are asking? Is this the question you are asking, Chandana? Yeah, okay. Observe. So what do we have in the question here? Form a team of 11 members from a squad of 16 members, which includes Dhoni and Yuvraj, such that team consists of. Okay, this is PNC question, guys. We'll get back to the probability. It was yesterday's doubt. We shall finish this and get back to the probability. Such that team consists of, for example, let's say both. Okay, not both. Let me take as any 11. Team consists of, such that team consists of any 11. Okay, firstly, what is our squad? Our squad has 16 members, that is Yuvraj, Dhoni, and 14 others. He's asking us to select any 11. Means out of 16 people, I can select any 11 people, that is 16C11 will be answer. That is pretty direct. We need not to worry much about this. Suppose if the question is something like this, such that team consists of both Yuvraj and Dhoni. Both Yuvraj and Dhoni. Team must consist of both of them. Okay. It means what? These both are already selected. What does this mean? This means that these both are already selected. Okay. Now, we need totally 11 members, out of which 2 are already selected. Still, how many we need? 9 we need. Where do we select them from? 14 people. Why? Yuvraj and Dhoni are already selected. We need still 9 people. So where do we select them from? We select them from 14. So what is the answer? 14C, 9. Am I clear with the second question here? Am I clear with the second question, everybody? Yes. Suppose if the condition is this, such that team consists of neither Dhoni nor Yuvraj, means neither of them must be there in the team. Neither of them must be there in the team. So are anybody selected so far? No, none are selected. We need all the 11 people. But where do we select them from? From 14 people, because you cannot select Yuvraj and Dhoni this time. So from 14, you need to select all the 11. So my answer is 14C11. This is also pretty direct, no doubt. Suppose if I ask you a question in this way, such that a team consists of either Yuvraj or Dhoni, but not both. But not both. Carefully, yeah. What does the question say? The team should have either Yuvraj or Dhoni, but not both of them. Both of them should not be there. Any one of them must be there. Observe carefully. So what is the condition here? It means if I have selected Yuvraj, then Dhoni must be rejected. Or if I have selected Dhoni, Yuvraj must be rejected. This is the condition. Now look at the solution. What do we have? No, Gokul, it's not like that. Observe. Yuvraj selected, Dhoni rejected. Yuvraj is selected means one person is already selected. Still, how many do we need? We needed 10 people. Now, where do we select them from? Only this 14. Why? Dhoni cannot be selected. Yuvraj is already selected. So still we need 10 people. Those 10 we need to select them from 14. So that's why 14C10. Or means plus. Dhoni is already selected and Yuvraj cannot be selected. Dhoni is already selected means one person is already selected. Still we need 10 people. Where do we select them from? Remaining 14. Why? This time Yuvraj cannot be selected. Dhoni already selected. So this gives us what? 14C10. Altogether 2 times 14C10 is my answer. Am I clear now? Did you guys understand this? Did you guys understand this, everybody? Fourth question, did you understand? Why 14? Tarun, observe. In the first condition, Yuvraj is already selected. Total in a squad, 16 members are there. Yuvraj is already selected. So you need still 10 people. You cannot select Dhoni. Now, from the 16 members, Yuvraj is already selected. You cannot select Dhoni. Then where do you select the remaining 10 from? We have to select from remaining 14. Are you understanding, Tarun? Did you get that? Why we are considering 14? Okay. Now, one more question in this, slightly trickier. Careful, everybody. If Yuvraj is selected, Dhoni is rejected, and vice versa. Now, many people think this question is absolutely same as fourth question, but no, it is not. Why? Let me tell you. First, let us write the condition. What did he say? If Yuvraj is selected, okay, Yuvraj is selected, Dhoni cannot be selected. Dhoni is rejected. Vice versa means what? Or Dhoni selected, Yuvraj rejected. Many people think this is the end, but no. Why? There is another one. I can remove both of them. Why? I never told you one of them must be selected. Previous question says what? Such that team consists of Yuvraj or Dhoni, but not both. It means one of them must be there. But in this question, I said if Yuvraj is selected, Dhoni is rejected and vice versa. But what is happening here? I never told you any one of them must be selected. So what do we get if we solve this? Yuvraj selected, Dhoni rejected. We already solved this 14C10. Dhoni selected, Yuvraj selected is once again 14C10. Or both rejected. Now both are rejected means we need to select all the 11 people still. From where? From the 14. So this will be the final answer. Am I clear with the question number 5? Everybody, please confirm. In circular arrangement of people condition, all girls should not sit together. All girls should not sit together. What is what is there in Chandana? What is there in that Chandana? Let us say. First tell me, guys, did you last condition, Tarun, listen, I never told that one of them must be selected. It means I can reject both of them if I want. The condition says if Yuvraj is selected, Dhoni is rejected and vice versa. But did I ever tell one of them must be selected? I can remove both of them, right? That is also possible. Did you get it? Did you understand that, Tarun? Okay, Chandana, if you observe, 3 girls are there, 3 boys are there. Okay, in circular arrangement, what is that? In regular arrangement, R factorial. Okay, but in circular arrangement, this is linear. Circular, it is R minus 1 factorial. Your doubt is what? All girls should not sit together. All girls should not sit together. Okay, you just do only one thing. Total cases minus. Answer is simple. Total cases minus girls sitting together. Separate in whichever cases all girls are sitting together. All girls are sitting together. Total cases is what? 6 people are there. So we take 5 factorial. 6 people, 6 places. Okay, I think I did not explain circular arrangement in this class, people. Remember, in the circular arrangement, there is only one change. In linear arrangement, R people will take R factorial, can be arranged in R factorial ways. Whereas in circular arrangement, R people can be arranged in R minus 1 factorial. Now the question is that all the girls should not sit together. In the total case, if I take, total cases are 5 factorial. Total cases are 5 factorial when there is no condition. How many ways we can arrange 3 boys and 3 girls around a circle? It means 5 factorial minus all girls sitting together. What do we do? 3 boys, 3 girls. Consider all girls as 1 unit. Now how many units are there? 3 boys plus 1 unit of girls means totally 4 units. 4 units can be arranged in 3 factorial ways because this is what? No, 1 second. I'll tell you, just give me a second. I'll explain this. This will be the answer. Listen, 3 boys, 3 girls. Consider all girls sitting together means consider all girls as 1 unit. Totally how many units are there? 4 units are there. Among those 4 units, if any first person goes inside, that area, I did a mistake. That first person can sit in only one way. It can be sit in only one way. Now still 3 more units are there. Now out of 6 places, 1 place is occupied means still 5 places are there. So second unit can sit in 5 ways. Third unit in 4 ways. Fourth unit in 3 ways. And finally, still we can rearrange the girls. 3 girls, 3 factorial. I'm repeating this, understand. Totally 4 units are there, 3 boys and 1 girl. Whenever the first unit goes inside, the circle, 6 places are there. It can sit in only one way because all the positions will be equal. There is no numbering here. We cannot tell which is the first one, second one, third one and fourth one. So for the first person or the first unit, it can sit in only one way. Now still, out of 4, 1 is gone. Still, how many are there? Still 3 are there. When the second person goes inside, 5 empty places will be there. They can sit in 5 ways. When the third person goes inside, still 4 empty places, 4 ways. And when the fourth person or the fourth unit goes, still 3 places will be there, 3 ways. Am I right? Now, girls would have gone inside as a group. They would have occupied any 3 simultaneous places. Like, they could have taken this place or they could have taken this place. Within those 3 places, they can be rearranged among them again in 3 factorial. And this will be our final answer. Am I clear, Chandana? Did you get it? Did you understand it? This is the important role. When the first person goes inside, that person can sit in only one way. Did you get it? Did you understand that? Confirm in the chat box. Yes, others? Chandana? Are you there, buddy? Which part you tell me? Which number is confusing here? Which number is confusing for you? Look, the question is, all girls should not sit together. When I consider total cases, in the total cases, all the arrangements will be there, guys. All girls sitting together, 3 girls sitting together, 2 girls sitting together, no girls sitting together. All the cases will be there inside. But what do we want? We want all the girls should not sit together. Means from the total cases, you remove the cases in which all the girls are sitting together. 6 people are there. Circular arrangement, total cases will be 5 factorial. Now, all the girls sitting together means consider all girls as 1 unit. 3 boys and 1 unit of girls. 3 boys and 1 unit of girls. Agree? How many units are there? 4 units are there. Consider 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. When the first unit goes inside, 6 places are there. All the places are same because there is no numbering. Wherever they sit, it is same for them. So first unit can sit in only one way. Still 5 places will be available. When the second unit goes inside, 5 empty places, they can sit in 5 ways. When the third unit goes inside, 4 empty places, they can sit in 4 ways. When the fourth unit goes inside, still 3 empty places, they can sit in 3 ways. Now still, girls, all girls are sitting together. They're sitting in a group. They can rearrange among themselves within the group. It means 3 factorial. Now am I clear? Now am I clear, guys? Did you understand this? Did you get it now? Everyone, please respond. Yes, Chandana. Still any part confusing here? What if the position is mentioned? Position cannot mention, right? That is the problem here. Look, in a circular table, if position mentioned, it becomes linear arrangement. Why r minus 1 factorial? In the circular arrangement, there are no positions. Whereas in the linear arrangement, look here. Left and right hand. Two reference points are there. But in the circle, there won't be any reference point. That's why when the first person goes inside, all the places are same for him. So he can sit in only one way. But in the linear arrangement, when the first person comes inside, he can sit in 6 different ways because there are 6 places. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, and 6th position from left hand. Or it can be first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th in the right. There are reference points left hand and right hand. But in the circular arrangement, there is no reference point at all. Okay. Everybody, did you understand this point? No, linear arrangement means what? Straight line. When they are sitting in a straight line, that is linear arrangement. In circle also there will be left and right. That is not a problem. Linear arrangement means straight line. Circular arrangement means sitting around a circle. Am I clear? In the circle, there won't be any end points. That is the reason why we don't have reference point. Okay? Fine. So let us come back to the probability, guys. Now, what we'll be doing today, we are supposed to do probability of marbles. Let us finish completely the probability of marbles, the most important one in the probability. Okay. So many a times whenever a question paper set and if there is a question from probability people, probability of marbles is given the highest priority there. Observe. How do we solve probability of marbles? Suppose, let us say, I have a pot. I have a pot which has, let's say, 5 green marbles and let us say 10 blue marbles. In a pot, there are 5 green marbles and 10 blue marbles. Suppose if I ask you to pick one marble, to pick one marble, pick one marble. Now question is, what is the probability of picking a green color and what is the probability of picking a blue color? This is the question. Observe. We are picking only one marble, remember that. We are picking only one marble. Probability of green marble and probability of green marble. What is probability? Number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. What are our favorable cases here in the first question? Green. We need green. How many green are there? 5. All are favorable cases. Divided by total cases are how many? 5 plus 10, 15. In the second case, here the favorable cases are 10 because blue color are 10. Total cases will be 15. 5 by 15 and 10 by 15, perfect around. Am I clear with this question? Am I clear with this question? Everyone? That is about picking one marble, but actual question starts from picking 2 marbles. When we pick 2 marbles, what all the different cases we get? Observe here. Just a second. What are the different cases we get when we pick 3 marbles? Or sorry, 2 marbles. Look, firstly, there will be different cases when you are picking 2 marbles. Understand what are those? When you are picking 2 marbles, you can pick all the marbles simultaneously. You pick all the marbles simultaneously. Or you can pick one marble after the other. 2 cases. What are they? You can pick both the marbles simultaneously, or you can pick one marble first and then you can pick the second marble. So there are 2 cases here. Once again, when you are picking 2 marbles, there are when you are picking marbles one after the other, there are 2 cases inside. What are they? Just a second. What are they? They are with replacement and without a replacement. I'll tell you what is with replacement and without replacement. Observe carefully. With replacement means what? You pick one marble, you check the color and you put it back. Again you pick the second marble, you check the color and you put it back. Now every time you pick a marble, the number of marbles always remains same in the pot. Because this is with replacement. Suppose if it is without repetition, you pick the marble, check the color and you drop it down. And again you pick the second marble, you check the color and you drop it down. So what is happening here? Every time we are picking marble, the number of marbles being reduced. The number of marbles being reduced in without replacement. Am I clear? Did you understand what is with repetition and without repetition? Everybody. Did you understand what is with repetition, without repetition? Everyone. Now let us see the problems. Same question. We have the same pot here. Manohar, repeating buddy, repeating. 1 second. Five green and 10 blue marbles. Look Manohar, When you are picking one after the other, what happens? You pick the first marble, check the color, you put it back in the pot. Again, when you pick the second marble, you check the color, you put it back in the pot. This is what with replacement. In with replacement, every time you pick a marble, it doesn't matter how many marbles you pick, you're putting them back. So it means number of marbles will always remain same. But when it comes to the without replacement, let's say 15 marbles are there. When you pick the first marble, check the color, you drop it down. Now there are only 14 marbles. Again, you pick the color, you check the marble, you drop it down. Now there are only 13 marbles. So what is happening in with replacement, number of marbles in the pot will always remain same. But when it comes to the without replacement, every time you pick a marble, the number of marbles in the pot will change. Am I clear now? Am I clear now? With number of marbles same, without number of marbles reduced continuously. Perfect, Google. Okay. Okay, guys, perfect. Now let us start the problems on this. Suppose, look, I will do all the three things at a time so that you will get a better clarity here in the problems. Observe. You'll understand the difference. Now we are picking two marbles. I will ask, what is the probability of getting both green marbles? What is the probability of getting both green marbles? It means you need to get green and green. Observe. Start with the total cases carefully here. We are picking how many marbles here? We are picking how many marbles at a time from the pot? How many marbles are we picking at a time from the pot here? 2 marbles from 15 marbles. Now can anybody tell me how many ways I can pick 2 marbles from 15 marbles? How many ways we can select 2 marbles from 15 marbles? How many ways I can select 2 marbles from 15 marbles? Good. 15C2. Now you need 2 green. How many green are there? 5 green are there. 5 green are there. You need any 2 from that. So how many ways I can select? 5C2. That's it. 5C2 by 15C2 is my answer. That is simultaneously. But when you come to here with replacement, green and green, and again here also green and green. When you are picking the first marble with replacement, probability of getting green color is what? 5 by 15. 5 by 15. Now you might be wondering why I am not using combinations here. You can tell denominator. You are picking one marble from 15 marbles, it is 15C1. 15C1 is nothing but 15 itself. Numerator, you need one green color. From 5 marbles, you are picking one green color, means a 5C1, which is also nothing but 5 only. So directly 5 itself, 5 by 15. And second green will also be 5 by 15. Why? When you pick the first green, you put it back. So the number of the marbles in the pot will remain same. So getting the second green will also be same, 5 by 15. Now you come to this without replacement. First green will be 5 by 15. Can anybody tell me what is the probability of getting a second green? What is the probability of getting second green? Anybody? Four by 14. Manohar, not 15, not 15. Now we don't have 15 marbles in the pot. When you took the first marble, one marble is gone, one green is gone. So still 4 green and a 10 blue will be there. It means 14 marbles will be there. Probability of getting green is 4 by 14. So Gokul, Chandana, Nayana, Tarun, perfect answer. Did you understand this question, everyone? Did you understand this question, everybody? Everyone? Did you understand this question? Okay, this is the very basic question, people. Only if you can understand this, we can go further. Observe. Next is probability of, let's say, both blue. Let us write the conditions first. I need both blue. It means blue and blue. Here as well, blue and blue. Here as well, blue and blue. In simultaneous, what do we get? We need blue color, two blue color. 10 blue marbles are there, we need 2 from them. 10 blue are there, we need 2. How many ways we can select? 10C2. Out of, what is the total cases? Totally 15 marbles are there. Selecting 2 out of 15 will be 15C2. Perfect answer, guys. Now coming to this. Can you guys give me the answer? Blue and blue. What is first blue and what is second blue? Ten by 15 into 10 by 15. Here as well. First blue will be 10 by 15. Second one. What will be the second one? 9 by 14. 9 by 14, because one blue is gone, still 9 blue will be there. Total marbles will be 9. Perfect answer, guys. Manohar, Chandana, Darshan, Gokul, everyone right answer. Perfect. Excellent. Now, suppose I'll change the question slightly. Probability of both same colors. Now write the condition first. Both the same color means what? I can get both blue or both green. Sorry. Both blue or both green. Here as well. Observe here. Both blue means blue and blue, or both green means green and green. In this case, again, blue and blue or green and green. First one. Let us start with the total cases. What is total cases? It will not change. 15 marbles are there. We need 2 marbles from them. So what do we get here? 15C2. You need 2 blue means 10C2, or means plus 2 green means 5C2. First case, everybody, did you understand? That is not multiplication, Tarun. Or means what? Addition. See, that's why this is important. Writing condition is important. Do not directly go write the combinations. Rather, first write the condition. Am I clear with the first question, everybody there? Am I clear with the first question, everyone? Please confirm. Okay, people who are joining late, guys, you have to be by sharp 8 o'clock. It will be difficult for you to understand. Now observe. Here, and means multiplication. Right? But or means addition. Now here, getting a blue out of that pot will be what? 5 by 15. It will not change. And means multiplication here also 5 by 15. Sorry, 10 by 15, right? 10 blue are there. Where is the pot? Here is the pot, guys. In the pot, we have 5 green and 10 blue. 5 green and 10 blue. Getting a blue will be 10 by 15 and other one again 10 by 15. Or green will be what? 5 by 15 into 5 by 15. This won't change. This is pretty simple. Now tell me answer for this. Blue and blue. What do I get? Here 10 by 15. What about the second blue? Probability of second blue, anybody? Probability of second blue, anyone? Anyone? People who are watching in the YouTube, don't forget to like the class, guys, if you're understanding the teaching. What is it? 9 by 14. Good. Second, or first green will be what? First green will be what here? 5 by 15. Second green will be, second green 4 by 14. Perfect answer. Perfect answer. Everyone, did you understand this? In YouTube, guys, you have to respond. Others, only Manohar is responding there. Others must respond, guys. Did you understand this? Everybody, did you understand this question, everyone? Please confirm, please confirm. People who came late, it will be difficult for you to understand, guys. You have to start at sharp 8 o'clock. Okay. One more question in this case. One more question in this case. It will be slightly difficult for you guys. Others who came late, wait for the next question. You will understand. Probability of, suppose, both the different color. If I ask both the different colors, firstly, don't forget, always write the condition. I will get back to simultaneous later. We will wait. We will see simultaneous later. First here, both the different color means what? I can get a blue and then green. Or I can get first green and second one blue. Here as well same. Blue and green or green and blue. Tell me, one after the other without repetition. Without repetition. Blue and green. You guys give me the answer. Blue and green. What do I write here? Blue and green. Anybody? Blue is a 10 out of 15 and green is a 5 out of 15. Pretty simple. Or here as well same. Green will be 5 out of 15 into blue will be 10 out of 15. This is not a difficult part. Now careful here. Tell me for the first one. Blue and green, what do I write in without replacement? Without replacement, what should I write? Good, Tarun. Blue will be 10 by 15, whereas green, others, anybody else, what do I write for green here? Anyone? 5 by 14. 5 by 14. Why? The first marble what we picked. Perfect guys. Perfect everyone. Nayana, Tarun, Chandana, Manohar, right answer. 5 by 14. Why? When the first marble we picked, that was blue. One blue is gone, but the green will be, all 5 green will be there. Okay. So that's why 5 by 14. Or next one. First green will be what? 5 by 15. And second one, blue will be what? Blue. Tell me for blue here. Tell me for blue here. What is that? 10 by 14. Perfect answer. Now tell me. Condition for here. Simultaneous. Simultaneous. What do I write the condition here? Anybody? For simultaneous, what should I write? Condition. Look, every question we are writing condition, people. Condition is important. What is the probability of getting both different colors? Now, I am asking condition. I can get blue and green, or I can get green and blue. This is wrong. You cannot write like this here. You can write any one among them, but not both. Why? When you're picking 2 marbles simultaneously, look, what is the difference between both of them? Blue and green and green and blue. First blue, second green. In the second case, it is first green, second blue. But in the simultaneous, you will not get like that. Why? When you pick 2 marbles simultaneously, you'll never get to know which one is blue and which one is green. Right? We will never understand. All we need is one blue and one green. We have to write just blue and green, or you can write green and blue. That's all. Now, so total cases is what? 15C2. That will not change. You need blue. One blue means a 10C1 and one green means a 5C1. This will be the answer. Am I clear now? Am I clear with this? Did you understand the last question there? Everybody. Simple. Tarun, when you are picking two marbles, can we tell which is the first marble and which is the second marble when you are picking two simultaneously? No, right? So you cannot write blue and green and green and blue. You must have one blue marble, one green marble. That's all. Write any one. Either you write blue and green or you write green and blue, but not both. Any one we have to write. Am I clear now? Am I clear now? Yes? Okay. Let us slightly increase the difficulty level now. Suppose in a pot, I have, let's say, 5 red color, 7 green color, and 9 blue color. Okay. So we have 5 red, 7 green, and a 9 blue. Now we have to pick, let us say, let me tell you the question as pick 3 marbles. Now, here onwards we'll be dealing with only simultaneously because that is the most important one. Okay, we'll be dealing with only simultaneous people. No one after the other. So one after the other you should know, but it will be hardly asked. In most of the cases the questions will be asked on simultaneous. Now, questions will be different types of questions I can ask. Suppose if I ask you, what is the pick 3 marbles, what is the probability of getting all red? What will be total cases? Anybody? Can anybody tell me total cases? All red means I need 3 red. Total cases. You have to write completely. You are picking how many marbles? You are picking how many marbles, guys? You are picking how many marbles here? Manohar, count the number of marbles clearly. How do you pick 3 marbles out of 21 marbles? How do you pick 3 marbles out of 21 marbles? 3C21? No, 21C3. That is a 21C3 ways we can select 3 marbles. Okay. Now, you need 3 red color. Tell me, how do we read? How do we pick 3 red color? How do we pick 3 red color? You have 5 red color. How many ways you can pick 3 red color? Anyone? Guys, 5 red are there. You need 3 red color. So what do we get? 5C3. Perfect, guys. 5C3. That's all. Suppose if I ask you what is the probability of all blue? Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Final answer. Complete answer. I want complete answer. What is that? 9C3 divided by 21C3. Agree? Yeah. This is pretty simple. Suppose if I ask what is the probability of getting all same color? Carefully here. All same color means you can get 3 red or 3 blue or 3 green. Okay. Observe. Total cases will remain same. Total cases will remain same. That is 21C3. 21C3. Now 3 red means what? 5C3 or plus blue. 9 blue are there. We need 3 means 9C3 or green. 7 are there. You need 3 means 7C3. This will be my answer. Am I clear? Did you understand? All same color. Did you understand? Everybody. Good. Suppose if I ask you probability of all different colors. Condition, all different color means I need one red and green and blue. It doesn't matter in which order you pick because you're picking all three simultaneously. So what do we get here? Total cases will be same, that is 21C3. You need one red out of 5, that is 5C1. And not or, Tarun, not or, check out. See, this is the mistake what you guys do, addition and multiplication, because you don't write this condition. For every question I'll write condition, you miss that condition, that's why you use wrong one there. You need red, blue and green, one red and one green and one blue. So and means what? Multiplication. So green, one green means what? 7C1. Blue means what? 9C1. That's all. Am I clear? Everyone? Manohar, right answer. Everybody, did you understand this question? Everyone else? Others, you have to respond, guys. Okay. Now, let me change the question slightly, carefully here. Probability of, let us say, selecting exactly 2 green. Yes, Chandana, you will get it. You will see that question now. You will see those questions now. You will see those questions as well, at least and at most. Now we will see. Soon after this, next question will be the same. Exactly 2 green. Guys, you need exactly 2 green. Anybody answer? Let us see. Can anyone give me the final answer? I will wait for your answer. Take 1 minute time and try to give me the answer. Anyone? Exactly 2 green, I'm asking. Totally, we need to pick. Yes, Manohar, you need to pick 3 for sure. You need to pick 3 for sure. But you need only 2. Tarun, no. You're picking 2 green, Tarun. That is right. But what about the third marble? Look at the main condition of the question. You're picking how many marbles there? 3 marbles. Okay, observe here. Total cases will not change. No, Naina, no. Yeah, Naina, perfect. I'm sorry. Perfect answer. Good, excellent. But that is slightly lengthy, Naina. Yes, Manohar, perfect. Condition is excellent. Right condition. That is slightly lengthy. We can reduce it. Chandana, right answer. Yes, Chandana. Observe. Total cases will not change at 21C3. Now you need 2 green. What about the other color? Can I get third one as green? Can I get third marble as green? You tell me. Can I get third marble as green? No, we can't. Right? So you cannot, Tarun. Look at the question. Exactly 2 green I told. You cannot pick a third marble as green color. It has to be either blue or red. So any one from blue or red. Any one from blue or red. Observe here. 2 green means pretty simple, that is 7C2. Now you need any one marble from blue or red. Blue and red together, how many are there? Blue and red, how many are there together? 14 are there. From those 14 marbles, you can get any one marble. So directly 14C1. Okay, so Chandana and Naina, we can reduce it in this way. If you see in the brackets what you wrote, 9C1 and 5C1, 9C1 is 9, 5C1 is 5, 9 plus 5, 14. You'll get the same answer once again. But this is a smarter way of solving. Suppose if I ask you, look at this question. After this, you'll get complete clarity of this. Probability of exactly one blue. Tell me the condition, anybody. One blue and what should I write here? One blue and anybody? What will be the condition? Any two, write the version. I can pick any two, right? Now observe the solution. Total cases will remain same for us, that is 21C3. One blue, 9 blue are there, out of which we need one, 9C1. And any two, you tell me, what is any two? Perfect, Tarun. Red and green, how many are there together? Red and green, how many we have? 12 are there. From those 12, I can get any of the two marbles. So what happens there? 12C2 will be my final answer. 12C2 will be my final answer. Did you understand now, everyone? Did you understand this question, everybody? Look, logic is pretty important, people. If you understand the logic, the next thing you need to concentrate on is writing the condition first. After writing the condition, you go for the calculation. Okay, now we are continuing the same one. Let me write that pot here one more time so that you can see that. Same pot. We had how many red? 5 red. And we had blue. How many blue? 9 blue. And we had how many green in the pot? 7 green. Okay, same question. Again, I'll change the condition. Probability of at least one blue. Now, understand the condition here. One blue means I can get one blue. At least one blue means I can get one blue, or two blue, or three blue maximum, because we are picking only 3 marbles. Agree? But when I pick one blue, I need still 2 more marbles. It means any two. These two must be from green and red. Again, when I pick 2 blue and I need any one extra. And finally, 3 blue means we are picking anyways 3 marbles. We can stop there. Now look at the solution. Total cases will not change to 21C3. You need one blue. One blue means what? 9C1 into any 2 means from red and green. 12C2. Perfect. Or means what? Addition. 2 blue means 9C2. And any one from red and green. 12 are there. I need any one. 12C1. Finally, or 3 blue means 9C3. That's all. Did you understand this question, everybody? Did you understand this question, everyone? Yes? Okay. Now, another important point. This is not the smart way of solving the problem. This is not the smart way of solving the problem. Observe what happens. Look, when I pick 3 marbles, tell me what is the possibilities of getting blue? I can get, sorry, what is that? Yeah, blue. I can get 1 blue, or I can get 2 blue, or I can get 3 blue. There is another condition. What is that? There is another condition. Forget about the question. When you pick 3 marbles, in those 3 marbles, I can have 1 blue, or I can have 2 blue marbles, or I can have 3 blue marbles. But there is another condition. Which one? No blue. Perfect, Sandhya. No blue, right? Everyone, good. So, which is the condition we don't want here? We don't want 0 blue. So, simply you can write total probability minus 0 blue. This will give you the same answer. Total probability means 1, maximum probability. Rather than total probability, you can type max. What is the maximum value of the probability? 1 minus 0 blue means you must pick all 3 from red and green. That is 12C3. This is the answer. 1 minus 12C3. Oh wait, I'm sorry. This is 12C3 divided by 21C3. Maximum probability minus 0 blue. So maximum probability with what? 1. In that, when I take maximum probability as 1, in that all the conditions will be included. 0 blue will be there, 1 blue will be there, 2 blue will be there, 3 blue will be there. But we don't want 0 blue. We just have to remove that part. 0 blue. 0 blue means what? I have to get all the 3 marbles from red and green. So that is 12C3 by 21C3. Am I clear now? Am I clear now? Did everyone understand? Did everyone understand? Yes? Okay, okay. So that is all for today's class, people. No, we can still have at most as well. In the same way, you can try it out. If you don't get it, you can ask me, people. Okay. I did not give you the permutations material, permutation solution part, right? I will post it in the Telegram today. What is that? Permutation and combination. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. What is this? Permutation and combination. Okay. I will post this permutation and combination in the Telegram channel, guys. Okay. Now, what is the current difference between them? Look, at least, at means what? When I say at least 1, minimum value is 1. So you can have 1, 2, 3. When I say at most 1, you can have maximum value as 1. It means you can have 0 or 1. If I say at most 2, you can have 0, 1, 2, but not 3. Getting the difference? Getting the difference? Yes? Okay, people. So we'll stop here. I'll post the complete permutation and combination material in the what is the Telegram channel. You can download it from there, people. So once we are done with the probability, I think most probably we can finish probability by tomorrow, guys. We shall finish probability by tomorrow, and then we shall start a different concept later on. Okay. So we'll stop here. We'll see you in the tomorrow's class, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll post it in the WhatsApp as well. Same to you, Chandana. Have a great night, everyone. See you all tomorrow's class.